Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Babb's Learning Lab. We are continuing to learn about that long A, the AI and AY vowel teams, right? What does AI and AY say, class? A. They say A, okay? So we're going to draw a picture today and write some sentences about something that makes that long A sound, whether it's using the AI vowel team or the AY vowel team. So please go ahead and get out your blue notebooks.
Okay. I got all my stuff. Crayons and markers.
I'm going to see if you guys can guess what we are drawing today. Okay, so let's go ahead and write AI or AY. They both say A. Today's date, 12/9/2020. Okay, remember that our picture is going to go up here and below is for our what? For our sentences. Okay. So the first step, and I'm actually going to do this right here in this area, kind of in the right middle part of our paper. Okay. I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. And add some eyelashes. You know I love lashes.
I don't like eyelashes. I'm a boy.
Okay. Shh. Now this might be a little tricky. Okay. So I'm going to draw something that looks like this, where I have a hump here and a hump here. And it kind of comes down like that. Okay.
There.
Okay. And then I'm going to come around and draw a squiggly line that looks like that. Okay, now again, here's another tricky part. In this area, I'm going to draw a hump and then come over and twirl and twirl. Okay, and then we're going to connect. Mine's kind of a long, skinny snail. And he's happy, so we need to make sure we add a smile. Okay. What did we draw?
I swear.
A what?
A snail.
A snail. A snail. Okay. All right, so let's label it. What's the first sound? S. S what? It's a blend actually. Sn. Sn. S what? S-N. Sn. A. Would it be A-I or A-Y? A-I. Snail. Look at that. You guys spelled the word snail all by yourself. I'm going to underline that AI so we know that is the vowel team we are working on. Snail. Okay. And I'll just quickly draw some details. I love to add a sun. He's crawling in the grass here. There's a couple of flowers. There's some trees here in the background. And of course, you guys can color that when we're all done. Okay?
The snail of the body is green. The shell is brown.
So what you guys are going to do now, your next steps is to write me informative sentences about the snail. Okay? What can you tell me about a snail?
A snail eats nuts. A snail has slime when it moves.
Huh?
A snail has slime when it moves.
Oh, he says that the snail leaves slime when he moves. You're right, it does. Yeah. What else can you tell me about a snail? What does it have?
Snail eats nuts. Snail eats some leaves.
It eats leaves. Okay. What does it have right here?
A shell.
A shell. Okay. So I want you guys to write me at least 3 sentences. Could you write me more than 3 sentences about the snail?
No.
Yes. Yes, you can. Okay. You guys have plenty of time. If you need help in using sentence stems for the snail, okay, we can write here, finger space is, finger space, a what? Finish that sentence. The snail can what? It has a what? Snails like to what? You guys can use those if you need them, okay? But there it is. Make sure when you're done, you take a picture and upload it to Seesaw. Thanks for joining us for practicing the long A with the vowel teams AI and AY. We created the word snail using the AI vowel team today. We'll see you next time.